everybody, my name is Frank. I will talk about life cycle of fruit. This life cycle is made of 4 stages. The first one is egg. The second one is tadpole. The third one is fragment. Wow, I feel like grow up. This is so amazing. And the last one is apple frog. Where did my tail go? I choose this life cycle because it's interesting for me. What I found most interesting is that a mother frog lays many eggs in the pond. After a few days, eggs hatches because a baby frog is born. The frog doesn't need their mother to grow healthy. I need my mother to grow. Do you know song of frogs? Oh yeah. Let me show you. Like this. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. What do you think about this life cycle? Do you like frogs? Do you know something about wood frogs? Wood frog freeze solid during the winter and come back to life in spring. Oh yeah, it's very interesting, my friends. Thank you for your attention. Bye.